You don't need a hacker to break in through the front door. Sometimes the door is already open, physically or digitally. That's your attack surface. And it's bigger than you think. Your attack surface is every entry point a threat actor can use to access your data, your systems, or your building. It's the sum of all the places where you're vulnerable, on-site, online, and sometimes both at once. Here's what it looks like in the real world. A lost USB, a weak password, an unattended front desk, a contractor using public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Every one of these moments is a crack in the armor. The problem? Most companies only think about firewalls. But attack surfaces grow with every app, every login, every employee, every device. And they change daily, especially when nobody's watching. Reducing your attack surface isn't about more tools. It's about fewer entry points, smarter policies, stronger habits. Securafy helps you map and shrink your attack surface, so there's less for hackers to find, and nothing left for them to exploit. Your attack surface is growing, even when you're not looking. Let's fix that before someone else finds it first.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.